our Honorable Mayor Joel Mugdang, who is the very initiator of this CEC Center. Honorable S.D. Pilar Roselha, Committee on Education in charge. Graduates, the first batch of graduates for the Community Center. My colleagues in this school, staff and faculty, recipients of this computer education, especially students, a pleasant good afternoon. Graduates, you are most privileged for having this computer program. Inasmuch as the trend of time today is computerization, we could not remain deep with our ears and blind with our eyes to what technology is doing for us. Everywhere you go, there is now the computerization of jobs, from job application to management, farming, fishing, all throughout. In fact, myself is a recipient also, and I'm most privileged because with my doctoral degree, I am getting it at UA Sibalom. I need really the computer for my projects and for my reports. It is a very timely thing for me to be have the knowledge of computer. Although I'm not so very much literate, but I will also become a student of this program, hopefully by this semester. And graduates, there are almost 14 of you, but so far 2 are right in Manila. They are now occupying work, which I presume the product of our community center, which really helped them a lot. So for this occasion indeed, so much thankful again to our Mayor, SB Alucel.